One of the most traditional tools of the Victorinox Swiss Army knives is the flathead screwdriver. The flathead screwdriver included from the first Swiss Army knife at 1891. From 1942 included the new version with the bottle opener. 9 years later, the flat screwdriver it came with wire stripper and bender notch. All the sizes of the Victorinox Swiss Army knives included the flathead screwdriver. In the size of 84 and 91 mm knives, the flathead screwdriver is 6 mm with 2 mm thickness. In the 85 mm knives, the flathead screwdriver is 5 mm and 2 mm thickness. Also, if you pressure the screwdriver down, it locks. In 93 mm size knife, the flathead screwdriver is 5 mm with 2.3 mm thickness. In the size of 111 mm knives, the flathead screwdriver is 5 mm with 2.4 mm thickness. Also, the screwdriver it locks with liner lock. In 130 mm, the screwdriver is 5 mm with 2 mm thickness. Also, it locks if you pressure it down. Also, you can find the flathead screwdriver with the bottle opener and the wire stripper notch in the Swiss tool and in the Swiss tool spirit. The screwdriver made by X20 CR13 stainless steel and the Rockwell hardness is 53. Let's see some basic and extra uses. Of course, with a screwdriver you can screw or unscrew screws. If the screw is bigger than the screwdriver, you could use it like this. Because in this position the screwdriver gives you more thick grip. If the screw is smaller or is Phillips type, the flathead screwdriver doesn't fit. You could use the corner of the flathead screwdriver to screw or unscrew it. If the screw is inside in a difficult and enclosed place and you can't place inside the screwdriver, turn it to 90 degrees position. One of the most common needs we have is to open or to separate objects. The Victorinox flathead screwdriver can be used as a mini pry bar because the steel has the right balance between hardness and flexibility, so it can withstand when it is under pressure. A hard steel without flexibility is more easy to break. Also, the shape of the flat screwdriver is ideal to use it as a mini pry bar. If you must put a lot of pressure to separate two objects, first push the screwdriver between the two objects to create a gap. After, place the screwdriver in 90 degrees position and place it in the gap and turn it only to the counterclockwise direction. When the screwdriver fits in vertical position, push up to separate the two objects. This way to pry is a fairly similar idea. Check his video on the right to the screen. To use the flathead screwdriver as a pry bar is one of my favorite uses because always unneeded is effective. Also, I don't destroy my blade. The most people use as pry bar the blade. This is a big mistake because the blade is just a cutting tool. A pry bar is the flathead screwdriver. Use with the right way your multi-tool. A 6.5 mm wrench nut is the right size for the bit screwdrivers. Also, the Victorinox flathead screwdriver fits in the nut, so you have an adapter for all kinds and types of screwdrivers. You could keep a small magnet in your Swiss Army knife. Keeps the bit screwdrivers stable. Also, you can magnetize the screwdrivers to don't lose the screws. A just in case idea, grab a rubber band and coil it around to the screwdriver. Now you can use it as eraser. You can use the screwdriver as wedge to keep open the door. The screwdriver can help you to adjust very easily the key-ring. The screwdriver can give you a nice grip to push some items without to punish your finger. Also, you can remove some small nails. The notch can give you an extra grip. Easy to lift a bottle cap. The bottle opener can use it as a lever. If you have any idea or more uses for the flathead screwdriver, tell me about below in the comments. I hope to join the video. Thanks for watching.